children. Now, the next letter after letter S is T. Wow, you all have become so smart. Right, it is letter T. Capital T, small t. Mama T, baby T. And can you guess the sound this letter T makes? T says t, 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 t. Like a table tennis game. T, t. Now it's your rhyme time. Let us sing the favorite rhyme of baby T. Okay?
When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Do you know? Can you guess the favorite fruit or the fruit this T likes? Baby T likes to eat tomato. What does it like to eat? Tomato. And children, after he eats tomato and before he goes to bed, before and after eating, he opens the tap. He opens tap and takes his toothbrush and toothpaste, and he brushes his teeth. What does he do? With his toothbrush and toothpaste, he brushes his teeth. Teeth. What all things starts with the letter T? Toothbrush, toothpaste, teeth.